This video I'm going to show you how to blend two photos using Canva. So first of all, you just need to go to your Canva account and upload those two photos that you want to combine and blend. So this is the first image. Just drag and drop it to the design. And this is the second photo that I'm going to blend with this image. Again, just add it to the design. Then what you need to do is just go to your left corner and find this apps option. Click on it, and here you need to search for image blender. Then click on image blender, and here you'll find the option called image blender. And after that, select the image that you want to blend. Then click on blend selected image. And now as you can see, the two photos that I used are already in blend mode. Now I just have to use this option to drag and move this to make it look perfect. You can switch the option to left and right to blend the images perfectly. And here you can also choose the strength option to increase or decrease the strength of the images. There's another option you can choose, which is radial, which will give you a round blend image, but we don't want that. We just want the linear option, and drag like this. Now after getting your desired blend option, you just need to click save, and now you can download this photo. Just go to share and download it. So that's it guys. This is how easily you can blend two images using Canva. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.